Hi, this is Patty. Welcome everybody to my page. I'm in Patty's Southern Kitchen and I am going to prepare collard greens. So I'm going to show you the collards. These are the collards, and let me demonstrate how I am going to cut them. This is the stem and I've cut one here. Now let me show you how I'm going to cut this. Okay, here is the green and the stem is right here. I'm going to cut the greens from the stem like this. And here's the stem, here's the green, and I'm going to wash these greens. I'm going to put them on here. This is one that I cut like this, and I'm going to show you how I will roll them up and cut them. I'm going to align them all up like this and kind of fold them like this, and let me show you how I'm going to cut them. Cut them in small, see that? This is how I cut my greens. And then I'm going to clean them really well. I will look at each green front and back before I even cut the stem off. But I'm just kind of demonstrating how I'll cut the stem off and how I will cut the greens, and they will look something like this. With small circles. Okay, now come right over here to my meat. This is my smoked turkey that I'm boiling for my greens. I soak this smoked turkey necks in vinegar for about 30 minutes. And then I seasoned it up with garlic powder, Chef Paul Magic poultry seasoning, and I used thyme. I used onion powder as well, and my favorite Creole seasoning. I used this, and I put these, just sprinkle some in the pot here with the meat, and I'm boiling that. I'm going to put a top on it and let it cook on a medium to high heat, and then I'll get my greens all cleaned up here. I'll get them all washed and cleaned, and I'll put them in the pot. And then I will show you the seasonings that I'll be putting in the greens in addition to the ground seasoning. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi, this is Patty coming to you again. And I have the greens all washed, picked, um, and cut up, and here they are. I'm putting a little onion powder in here, and I put a little Creole seasoning, and I am putting a little garlic powder in here. And my turkey necks are done, and here they are. And I've poured a little of this liquid from them in here, putting a little more with all of the seasonings. And when my greens are just about done, I'm gonna pick the meat off the bone and put it in my greens. Okay, and here it is, and I have it on medium high heat, and I'm going to cover it over and let them start to boil a little, and then I'll turn them down and simmer, and we'll be right back. Hi, this is Patty again, and I'm showing you what I'm doing with these greens. I have added a pinch of sugar. I've put in the meat that I've deboned, and I've put in some seasonings, bell pepper, green onion, and yellow onion. So it is still cooking, and we will see you in a minute. Hi, this is Patty, and I'm going to show you how I make my cornbread. This is 2 cups of self-rising white cornmeal. Okay, I'm pouring that in the bowl. And this is a half cup of all-purpose flour. And I had a pinch of salt in this mixture. And I'm going to stir this around and mix it up. And in this bowl, I have 2 eggs, a cup of buttermilk, and 3/4 sticks, 3/4 stick of butter. So I'm going to pour this wet mixture in here with the dry. And if I need some more buttermilk, I will put it in. And over here, I have greased my skillet with butter. And my oven is on 400 degrees. And I'm going to stir this and mix it up really well. And I'm going to pour it in my hot cast iron skillet. I may have to use a little more buttermilk, but we'll just see. I'm going to need just a little bit more buttermilk. So, shake it well, a little bit at a time. And once I stir this around and get it to the consistency that I need it to be, I'm going to pour it in my hot skillet there and bake it on 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we will come back and see you soon. Let me show you what we have here. Okay, this is about where I want it. Okay, and we'll be right back. I'm back, and this is Patty. This is the finished product of the cornbread. And I have taken butter and spread over the top of the cornbread. And these are the finished product. This is the finished product, of the greens. And look at this. Look at this. They look delicious. And Tyler is going to be the taster. So I am going to take some greens and put them on the plate for him to test. Here they are. And I'm going to cut the cornbread and let you get a look at this. Oh my goodness. And let me see here. It's a little bit hot. Let me see if I can get it out of the pan, out of the skillet. Let's see. See, where did I cut it? Oh, right here. And where else did I cut? Oh my goodness. I think I cut it in 2 places. Okay, see this? I'm going to put it right here. Here it is, Tyler. Okay. It may not have been cool enough, but this is the finished product. I thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you soon, but we will let Tyler tell you how this cornbread and these greens taste.
And the greens taste amazing.
Greens are amazing. Now let's see about the cornbread. It's so moist. How is that cornbread?
It's good.
It looks like it melts in your mouth. It's still a little bit hot. I should have let it cool a little longer, and that's why it's breaking. But it is still delicious. And we will talk to you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Tell your friends and family about Patty's Southern Kitchen. We thank you for joining, and we will see you soon. Good night. Hi, this is the cornbread after it is cool. It kind of broke up the first time because it was hot, still warm, but look at this. It is delicious.